Hi, in this video I'm going to describe how to draw a line segment using restricted domain. We said earlier that restricted domain means that you have a starting point and an ending point. So it is restricted to some values of x or to some part of the x-axis. So in problem number 9, given this interval as the domain of the function, this interval starts with -3, and -3 is included because it has a square bracket, and the values of x keep going on until it reaches the value of 2, and also 2 is included because it has a square bracket. So all I care about is the starting point, this point, and the ending point, this point. So using x equals -3, I would like to know what is the value of y, or the value of f of x, for x equals -3. So all I have to do is to substitute back in this relation, which says that f of x equals -x plus 5. So if I substituted with x equal -3, so I get y equals -3 plus 5, which is 3 plus 5, which gives you 8. So the first ordered pair here is -3 and 8. This is the first ordered pair. At x equals -3, the y value is 8. Secondly, I would like to find the y value for x equals 2. So substituting back again in the relation, y equals -2 plus 5, and it gives you 3. So the second ordered pair here is 2 and 3. Then the next step is to go and locate these points on the graph, this graph. So if I'm going to locate these points, first, this point is -3 and 8. This one is -3 and 8. So at x equals -3, I have to go up until I reach the value of 8. And I'm going to make a shaded circle here, because we said earlier that the value of x equals -3 is included inside the domain, so it has a shaded circle. Second, I'm going to locate this point, which is 2 and 3. So at x equals 2, I'm going to go up until I reach this point and make a shaded circle also, because x equals 2 is included inside the domain. Then I'm going to connect between them with a line, this line segment. This is supposed to be a line segment that describes the function graph for f of x equals -x plus 5. And I would like now to find the range of this function. I already have the domain, but I need to know what is the range for this function. So I'm going to start from down to up and draw a dashed line at the starting point of the function and another dashed line at the ending point of the function. This distance represents the range of the function. So the range for this function starts from 3, which is this value, comma, and it ends at 8, which is this 1, and both of them are included because they have shaded circles. So this is the range for this function, and this is the graph for this function.